We're at Battle Bend Park. I grew up right around the corner. My parents are right around the corner still. So I've sat under this pavilion a whole lot of times. I've celebrated birthdays around here, come and hung out, picked up pecans. It's just a park I've been to my whole life, and I really enjoy it. It's really difficult to know what is available to you if no one's helping you connect to those resources. So I think that there are a lot of opportunities to continue to really connect with young people and to bring more folks into the fold. As I've become more involved in the outdoors and in the environmental sector, and particularly getting young people looped into the outdoors and career opportunities and internships, I've seen that there is a lot of work happening around town to really move forward in that way, and I think that there's still so much work to be done. At the Austin Nature and Science Center, kids get really excited about, the different things that we have to offer, whether it be the animals or the turtles they're seeing in the pond. That makes me so hopeful because there's something just so natural about it. What I love about working in the Parks and Recreation Department is that the second part of parks is recreation. It just, to me, reminds me that of our inherent value as human beings. We're also here to just enjoy. We're also here to just recreate and be outdoors and spend time outside.
When I came across the work of the Youth Leadership Working Group, I was just so excited to see a group of people who were really trying to fill in this gap and create collaboration to build these pathways for youth who've oftentimes been excluded from these spaces.
We know what we know and we show up with expertise and wisdom, and then you also have to show up with humility, with a willingness to learn from others, with lived experiences that are different from our own. When I have seen leaders exhibit that, I've really been drawn to that. There's still a lot of work that can be done, and so there are a lot of challenges facing creating equity around the outdoors. The outdoors has really helped me with my mental health. Being outside, going on walks, just the literal spaciousness of it helping me feel an internal spaciousness. I have my connection to nature. I am a part of nature, and I think that gives me so much hope.
I'm grateful that she's being recognized for, this kind of slice of the work that she does, but I think that could just expand into every facet of who she is as a human.
I guess recognition is nice, but ultimately, I'm just grateful that I got to share a little bit about the things that I'm passionate about and the things I care about, and that I get to continue to do the work that I enjoy doing with folks.